Hey everyone, I just want to quickly discuss this little KAFO that we manufactured, and maybe just to give some ideas for some of the orthotists that are out there that would like to maybe make something similar. You can obviously improve on the design. Design is, you know, I made it up as we went along. But we can just have a look over here on the side. So we got a posterior offset joint, it's an Orthobock joint, and we got an Orthobock ankle joint as well, a multifunctional ankle joint. So with this client over here, he had a 30-degree flexure contracture, which was quite severe. Probably about there, 30-degree flexure contracture. So what we did was, the second part. I've had to, obviously, he's got a bit bigger on his thigh, so I've had to increase the size of the thigh bands and had to recover all of that. But just as an interesting thing is that what we've done over here is we've used hinges. I just got these hinges from Mica. They are made in Germany, but they're not Orthobock hinges, but they, I suppose, just very good gate hinges. And we got another hinge on this side over here. And really what we got over here is just that locks in nicely over there, and we got a little Velcro strap over here. This over here, I initially had it so that the bungee cord will be able to connect there, but it was a little bit too far towards the lateral side, and it was going to then push onto the kneecap itself. So I just used this as an extra reinforcement, because the first one that I did was I used a normal hinge, and the hinge just basically bent and got destroyed from the amount of pressure that these 4 bungee cords put onto the hinge. But so we've just redone this a little bit just to make it a bit stronger. Got the hinges here, and so yeah, so all I did really was is I just made a just cut a piece of that flat bar spring steel, and just made a hook there with spring steel, and then I made a little spreader bar over there so that it doesn't push, the bungee cords don't push onto the actual patella. And then all that really happens is just pop it on there and extending it out there to there, and it locks in quite nicely, so that you can get a full extension, constant extension. So while the client is walking, they can actually utilize this. So it's a rehab brace, but can also use it for ambulating. So you can see the client can still use it, but it's constantly pulling on that flexure contraction. I saw that on the forum that someone had posted there was a obviously some kind of plastic contraption that was used to you know, correct a flexion contracture, but this worked quite well, and we got these flexion contracture out to about 10 degrees now. So this will go for you'll use this for another till probably the middle of next year, and then we'll move him over onto a EMAG system. All right, cheers guys.